This talks about the median increase in food inflation in the month of February and March. So let's sort it by February first. In all, there are 7 years under consideration. Therefore, the fourth value would form the median. The fourth value here is 0.49. So one value under consideration here is 0.49. Now let's find the same value for March. So let's sort it by March. And the fourth value here is 0.55. 0.55 here. So this value is less than this value, less than. So yes, this statement is true. This talks about the range of values. So let's first find the range for June, sorted by June. The lowest value is 0.11, the highest value is 1.01. The difference would be, therefore, the difference of these two, 1.12% is what we are looking at. And let's see if this is maximum. First, I would like to eyeball and see whether there is some other value which is intuitively incorrect. So see, here I see an interestingly very negative value, and here also I see 1.92%, minus 1.92 and plus 0.07. That is almost 2%. So there are months where the range is higher. Similarly, probably here also see minus 0.99 and positive 0.59. This is going to be almost 1.6%, which is going to be higher than this value. So this range is definitely not the highest, and therefore this statement is not correct. This talks about fluctuation in the month of January. So here I see the fluctuations are between 0.21%. You can always sort it if you want. The fluctuations are between 0.21 and 0.76%. So the range of fluctuations is around 0.55%. 0.21 to 0.76. And see, of course, there are months where the fluctuations is a lot higher. See, minus 1.92 and positive 0.59. That would be a much higher fluctuation. And so, of course, there are months where on the positive side also you see a lot higher inflation, such months. So to conclude that January had the highest fluctuation would not be correct. This statement is also incorrect. Therefore, the right combination of answers is true, false, false. The month with the highest fluctuations would be the month where the values are changing a lot, whether on the negative side or the positive side. Here I see that the values are changing by 0.2% to 0.76%, but there are months where the change is a lot more significant. For example, here I see much bigger values. Here also I see a lot of fluctuation.